Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you, as per the topic, that why the RankX is not returning the output. So what do I have is basically this orders table, and I will show you from where you can get it so that you can replicate this scenario. So we have this orders table which has the product subcategory over here and sum of sales, and what I'm trying to do is using the rank function I'm trying to put the rank over here, right? So this is not returning the rank, and because of that what I cannot do is do the further operations like finding the top 5 values, top 10 values, which is the next level of iteration. Okay, so to correct this behavior we basically need to apply the one more function over here, so which is nothing but over here in the rank function what we have is the all order subcategory, right, to produce the rank at the subcategory level, and we need to wrap the calculate function on the sales, right? And what you are going to get is basically the current rank over here, right? So what sales were earlier were doing is it was basically, as you would expect, it is taking each individual row as a separate one and producing the rank, rather than taking it as a combined table and iterate over each one and then basically compare, okay, what is rank 1, and that is what calculate does. It applies that row context onto this so that each value is in the context of each row and iterates over each row and then figure it out, right, what is the rank. So that is why the RankX function is not returning. So from where you can get this data, let me just show you very quickly over here. So over here you can get this data using the link which I am giving, the dataset folder, and dataset is the sheet. In this dataset sheet, the row number 19 is having this dataset where you can replicate it. Also, one more quick information about my Power BI videos, where all my Power BI videos which is on the YouTube is present as a video title over here, and you can jump onto the video using the video link and get the desired output. That way you can bookmark and search any of my video whenever you need it. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.